Actually, I want to try some other beaches, like, meron near Siargao, there's a new resort there. There's another one in El Nido, which I want to try. So, basta, lahat yan gusto kong kasi every summer, ginagawa namin.
How is it vacationing with your daughter? Is it still fun kahit na they are all grown up na?
Actually, every time we come home, nagtatanong sila kagad, when is our next vacation? Sabi ko, oh wait ha. Sabi ko, I'm doing a series and it's not really, medyo mahirap ito gawin. Number one, we shoot with an HD camera, 2 HD cameras, so this is film style. There are scenes that we have to take repetitively 6 times, ganyan. So, hindi katulad ng normal na camera. Tapos, we have special effects. So, you have to have more patience and special effects with harness.
Harness, okay.
One time, harness din siguro. Kung sabi ko, request ko lang na may pole. Kasi I did that with Charger sa Saturna. And pati yung kapitulo yung ginawa namin ni Albert ng movie, na-harness na din ako before. And
wala na effect.
In the future, maybe some training for, I take Pilates for my back. So, sa awa ng Diyos, okay naman siya. Tapos, I think later on, I will be having some fight scenes also. So, sa ngayon, parang medyo simple pa.
So, okay lang po kayo doon na hindi na magda-double?
Ang maganda kasi, hindi, syempre may mga stunts din naman na hindi ako mag-a-attempt. Bilang babaeng merong bakal sa likod, no? Hindi ko naman kakayanin yun. Pero, nung gumawa ko ng Shasha sa tour na, I worked with our stunt director here also. So, siya din ang kinuha si Gary
Okay.
So, natutuwa ako kasi, okay, kilala ko si Gary. Alam niya yung limitasyon ko, alam niya yung kakayahan ko.
Last 2 questions ko po. Kapag na nasa beach po kayo, what do you usually do with your girl?
Play music. That's number 1. We just, we don't drink eh. We're not a drinking bunch. So, normally just, we eat.
Or are you into
With all of its influence, alam mo naman, food plays a very big part in our lives. Parang what are we eating today? What are we having? We're excited to eat out and, try restaurants. But at the beach naman, we try to have picnics, ganyan. Kung ano yung ino-offer nila. Nung huli kasi namin beach experience was Maldives last year. I don't remember. Just last year or the year before that. But, naka-experience kami ng sumakay kami ng boat. Very fancy boat. Ganda-ganda. We don't do scuba, but we do snorkeling. So, kung ano yung activities na kaya namin gawin, ginagawa namin.
Mission siya dahil malapit na yung Valentine's. Yung Valentine's, mas namimiss mo pa ngayon si Tito Dog.
I miss him every day.
Pwede na ba kami?
Every single day. Sabi niya kung Valentine's, sabi niya every day,